Instant income tax payments are now simple. Use the Indian Overseas Bank Payment Gateway quickly and hassle-free, anytime, anywhere, right from your office or home. Here's how it works. Start by visiting the income tax portal. After login, go to e-file and click on e-pay tax. On the new payment page, click proceed on the relevant tax payment option. Select the assessment year and type of payment. Then click continue. Enter the tax amount details and click continue. On the payment mode screen, choose payment gateway. Select Indian Overseas Bank as the payment option and click continue. Review all details carefully and click pay now. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Then click submit to bank. You will be redirected to the payment gateway to complete the payment. Make the payment using UPI, credit card, debit card or internet banking. Once the payment is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Download the challenge for your tax payment. You've seen how easy it is. So why wait? Visit the income tax portal today and experience the seamless, fast, and reliable IOB Payment Gateway.